class, welcome back to our online class today. So it's me again, teacher Kongkea, right? So before we start our lesson for today, teacher want you to answer my question. So how are you today, everyone? Good job. So I hope that you are fine. So before we start our lesson, I know that you finished your breakfast already, right? Okay, so before we start our lesson for today, let's prepare your material like your notebook, your pen, your ruler, or your correction pen, right? Because that one is very important when you study, right? Okay, so before we start our lesson, let's read the day with teacher first. So today is Tuesday, December 29, 2020. So today we study our book for first session, listening starter 1. So teacher want you to prepare our book right now, listening starter 1, and today we will continue our lesson, unit 5 on the farm on page 32, right? Okay, so before we start our lesson for today, let's open your book on page 2 with teacher all together. And in our today, we have review vocabulary that we have 5 words in here that you can see in here that we have animal, rice, sleep, farmer, and dry. So can you read it for teacher, please? Okay, so now let's repeat after teacher. Animal, rice, sleep, farmer, dry. And now let's move to our exercise for today that we have exercise B. You need to match the expression. Listen and check your answer. So before we start do our exercise in our page, please open your page 32 with teacher all together. Okay, so here is our page 32 that teacher want you to know about the animal in the farm. It's like on the farm. That here is our animals that teacher have in here. That the first one teacher have sheep, chicken, rooster, mouse, cow, duck, pig, horse, and goat. So here is the animal that you can fit in the farm, right? That you can see into this picture. And in our farm, actually we have a lot of animal, but this time teacher just list down some animal that very important that have in our farm, right? That this one is very good and this one is very important for us, right? Okay, so now let's move to the next one. So here is our picture that teacher want you to put the animals that have in the farm. So as you can see in here in the farm, the animal that we have is sheep, right? That you can see into this picture. And what is the animal that we have in the farm? Great. So sometimes we have cow, right? That we can feed the cow to get the milk, right? For our farm. And next we have a horse. The horse is very important, right? Can help us a lot in our farm. And the next one is chicken, right? Okay, that the chicken can give birth. It means like can give us a lot of egg, can give us the hens, right? It means like the baby of the chicken, right? Okay, and the next one is our exercise for our practice for today that we have exercise B, match the expression, listen and check the answer. So you can see in here that we have 3 questions and we have 3 answers in here. So right now teacher will provide you the listening track 45 and you need to listen carefully and after that you need to match the expression. So right now let's start with teacher all together.
Unit 5. On the farm. B. Match the expressions. Listen and check your answers. 1. Where are we going?
We are going to a farm.
2. What is on a farm?
There are animals on a farm.
3. What are the horses doing?
They are eating grass.
Okay, everyone. So I know that you finished your exercise already, right? So right now, let me read the question number one, and you need to help teacher to answer this question. So number one is where are we going? So where are we going? We is talk about the place that you want to go, right? Okay, so much to letter B, very good. So we are going to a farm. So we are going to a farm, right? Okay, so now let's move to number two. What is on a farm? So what is on a farm is prefer for the animal or prefer for the thing like tree or something like that, right? So what is on the farm is much to letter C. There are animals on a farm. Okay, so now let's move to number three. What are the horses doing? So can you guess it? What are the horses doing? It's much to letter A. They are eating grass, right? Okay, so here is our answer for our exercise B that we match already with the expression, right? That we need to complete this one with the answer, right? Okay, so now let's move to the next one. So teacher want you to create your own farm and draw the animal, right? That you can see in here. So you need to create your own farm, like you can draw like have the mountain, you have a tree, or you have what kind of the animal that you have, so you can write, so you can draw a picture like this, look like teacher example, and when you finish you can send it to teacher by personal telegram, right? So now it's time for our first session, and I hope that you understand our lesson for today, that our lesson is talk about on the farm, that we practice the exercise, and another one we know about the animal in the farm also, right? Okay, so now let's have a break time right now, and thank you for your watching, and see you again for second session. Goodbye.